Good morning. I just thought I want to walk you into my pantry and let you know about some flowers. We've talked about all-purpose flowers. I have talked about it for years because I wasn't always able to get the flowers. So here we go, into my pantry. Come into my pantry, my friends. I know I've talked about VitaClass. I swear I don't get a percentage from this, but things like tapioca flour, brown rice flour, they have fine white rice flour. We use this for the pizza. But what I wanted to show you when I say I use other flours, when I make an all-purpose flour, when the grocery stores do not have them, I take brown rice flour, 2 cups of it, tapioca flour, 1 cup of it, and then I go to the xanthan gum. Where are you? Well, baking soda, and there's my xanthan gum. And I add, well, usually for the bread recipe, I'll put a tablespoon in there for my breads. I play around with that sometimes. But this is a staple. Can't find the all-purpose flour at Publix or wherever your local big grocery stores are. 2 cups of brown, 1 cup of tapioca, and our xanthan gum. But wait, there's more. Because I pull out this little ditty and then I start to play around. I don't know. I feel like I want more fiber in my diet or more protein. I'll go to quinoa flour. I'll go to oat flour. You getting my gist right now, guys? I keep these flours readily available because I'm not married to 2 cups of brown rice. I don't know. Maybe I'll put in a half a cup of quinoa. You can mix around, play around. It's your kitchen. I'm gonna keep saying that. It's your kitchen. So this is my pantry. These are all my fabulous flours. Natural almond flour, sorghum, coconut flour for you keto people. All right, and in this one, psyllium husk. Oh, I have a funny picture I'm gonna post up of a bread I made once, and I played around, and I had the psyllium husk, but I forgot to remove the middle rack, and the psyllium husk expanded so much it blew through the rack. Anyway, that's my pantry, and I hope you play around. That's what I mean by alternative flours, because you have a basic recipe, and you can make alternatives.